About 3 years ago, I turned $1,000 over into 200K trading crypto, and then I lost almost all of it. 100K prop firm challenge account from client funding. Hey boys, welcome back to another video. So I just took my first trade on my 100K client funding account, and these are the two trades. I'm going to break this down for you, why I took these trades and where my targets are and where my stops are. So my first trade is Bitcoin. Basically, we're still chopping at the bottom, and it was very clear to me that this was a high resistance liquidity, because first of all, we formed a range and then we took out all of this, basically made a top of the range, and you already know that this was a high resistance liquidity, just the way it forms, and there's no way we're just gonna shut up and reclaim this. How it was moving was very clear that this reversal was weak and there was not enough buyers stepping in, so that's why we were just chopping, and there was not enough participants to bring this higher. So the moment we formed a range, I didn't short this one. I waited, so we came back down into the discount zone again. We failed to take out all of this here, so we pumped again and then we dump again. It's just basically a chop, and then the moment we came up here yesterday, I had high confidence that this was just another chop, and we could be coming down again to say all of these. Now we have a lot take out here below all of this. So pretty simple range model. Take out of the range, you short premium, you long discount zones, and then you can see here, that's your range, top of the range. So you basically sell above here and then you buy above here. Simple. But I did have a limit here, because this limit was from this. I thought that we were coming up, so if we would have come up here, this was the best short in my opinion. But we didn't get it, and I had my stop here. So it would have been cool also if we pumped yesterday, filled my under short here and came down. That would have been a bigger short. So I am up about $100 on this Bitcoin trade. It's pretty small, 0.1. I wanted to start a very chill on this 100K count. Now going on to the Solana trade, same model, same concept, to be honest. This is the best way to trade a range. So Solana was capitulating, you formed a low, a nice recovery. You basically tapping this first. So add that, you tap that clean. Now you come back down to the middle of the range. So it was clear that buyers were stepping in, came back up, but we were not able to take this out. So we came back. This would have been a good short too, but I didn't short this because we didn't take it out. Now we came back down to discount. This is like a basic range chop trade. Again, you wanna buy below, you wanna sell above. And then now I am shorting this. This is a okay-ish size for me. Basically, I have a 1 hour stop, and then I could have like a 2 hour or a 3 hour target with this, but I'm just, even here, I'm probably gonna close this trade here. That's a big profit already, or even here. So that's like a basic range trade play, and then your stop would be above the high. Now I didn't quite get the entry that I like because I was still asleep, but this would have been the perfect entry, in my opinion. Let me just close this so you won't have see that. Let me cancel my stop loss. Pretty clear. So if I was awake, I would have traded it like this. You have your SFP there above the range. So what you're going to do is basically have your entry right there. You have your entry right there, and then stop would be maybe this high. Swing failure entry right there. Then you target, even here, this low, or you could go for the moves and target like that. So basic range play. Pretty happy with my first trade, 2 trades on this 100K account. Now I'm going to log the trade here on my mission control for this 100K account. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just a simple trade breakdown. I just wish that I also shorted ETH, but I was still asleep, basically. This would have been a great shot. Like, look at this, like here, you tap this. We rejected from this. If I have a volume profile, I think I don't have a volume profile tool here, but this is probably the POC of this tight range here. Then we rejected, boom, coming back down for it. Yeah, pretty nice short would have been. But yeah, I'm happy with that, what I have. So yeah, that's it for this video. Again, guys, I have some discount codes for client funding. I also have some links if you want to trade Bitcoin on Wix, Bybit, or BTCC. I also trade on those exchanges. So thank you boys for watching. See you guys on